going to click the word sign up on W3Schools and I'll provide the link for you. We're going to show you how to upload your website to the internet so somebody could actually find it if you give them the address. So I already have an account, but I'm going to do a new account. So I typed in my email address. The next page, it asks you for your name, and then you sign up. So Daphne, I'm using my daughter's name. And so it already says I have an account because I've already done those steps. Okay. But you'll do those when you sign up. I was doing that, and then I got somebody interrupted my video, and I had to restart the video. So you'll do those 2 steps. And then you have to verify your email through your Gmail account. So hopefully they will send it to your school email. We will have to check on that. But here's my account. Okay. There's a bunch of tutorials you can do and quizzes and exercises. So if you really enjoyed coding and want to learn more, W3Schools is a great way to practice those skills. So we don't want any of that, though. We want this new button up here called Spaces. Okay. We want our own web space. So we're going to say get started for free. We're going to start with a blank page. Okay. Enter a space for your name. This is what your website name is going to be. Please make it school appropriate. It would help if you use like your last name. You might put your birthday. That would make the number probably acceptable. So I'm going to do Watts 0382. Okay. So there's my website. They've created it right here. Okay. I can delete it. I can show files, get a domain, delete the space. Okay. So I'm going to click on my name, my website. Actually, that's not what I'm going to do. I am going to, that's not what I want to do. Show files. Okay, there we go. Show files. It took me a minute to remember what I had to do. This is new. This is a new feature of this site. So I have index, I have style, CSS, and JavaScript. We're going to be mainly concerned with these 2. So I'm going to come into this index.html. They've given you stuff here. So all you have to do is delete the word my space is awesome. Okay. Oh, and you're going to put a bunch of enters between after that word body because this is where you're going to paste your code. So I'm going to come over to my Sublime text editor. So I'm going to minimize my screen. And then I'm going to come in here to Sublime Text. Cancel. Okay, here is my code for my website. I'm going to Control A it and Control C it to copy it. Okay, actually, I'm not going to do that. I lied. I'm going to come between because you have all the other setup. So I'm going to come between the body tags. I'm only copying, that's right, I'm only copying from open body to closed body, not the words body. So anything inside my body tags is what I'm copying. Then I'm going to come over to my W3 screen. So I'm going to minimize this. And let's see what I've got going on. That's not it. What page does Miss Watts have open? Oh, right here, spaces. Okay. And then I'm going to come right here and I'm going to hit paste, Control V. And that pasted all my code. And then I will click save. Okay. Of course, there's a network error this morning. Hopefully it did save. Okay. I can preview it. Not working here at the school, but preview. Okay. And then I'm going to come back to my files. So I am going to go to X out of this one. And I'm going to come to my styles. Okay. This has, don't want any of this. So I'm going to delete that. I'm going to come over to my Sublime text editor. I'm going to copy everything on this page. So Control A, Control C, and then come back to my page, Control V, save. Okay. All that's good. So I should be able to preview that. Good. That's all saved there. Okay. Now I'm going to come back to my site. Okay. And I should be able to copy. Now it won't have any of my pictures quite yet because we do have to, I believe, upload the files separately. So copy the image, this link address, and paste it right here. And it looks like it did not save our other code. So let's go back to our index. It did not. So I'm going to delete that. That network error must have done something. I'm going to come back to my code, copy this again, Control C, come back. It's all fun. Paste, and then save, hopefully. Okay, that should do it. So now when I go to this website, it should have all my content, not my images yet. Okay, so it does look good. And then I'm going to come back. I'm going to have to upload my images separately on this site. So upload files. I have that document, which is my images file that's in my website folder, images. Okay, these are the files I want to upload. So I think on this website, nope, only one at a time, it looks like. Shift. Oh, nope, I can hit shift and do them all at once, it looks like. Okay, so I shifted. I hit all of them at once, everything in my images folder. It's uploading them, which means hopefully that's all there. So I should be able to now refresh my website. No. Oh, I have to change how they're coded because they're not in an images folder anymore. So I do have to go in quickly to my code. So let's go into the index first. I can delete anytime I have an image, I got to find it. So I have one at the top, I believe. Okay, I don't have an images folder anymore, so this one's going to be called Ben PNG. And then this one is Ben 2. And this one is, there's one, nope, that's all of those, so save. And then I have a couple in my CSS folder. So let's go to the CSS file, the styles. Okay, I have one set as a background, that T. I have two as a background, I think brown. I have a brown one and a T one. So T, delete the word images, and then brown wall, delete the word images, and that backslash. This should, save. This should make my website prettier. Nope. Now it's site coaching. Uh-oh. Emails. Okay, retry. It's odd. Continue. There we go. Okay, so looks like everything is there except this image here. So let's go see what I might have to do to get that one to fix. So that one is in my, that's Ben. Oh, it's the capital letter. This one is sensitive to the letters. So I'm going to go to that one's in my index. And it's this one. So if I didn't save it exactly right, W3Schools will not pull it. So save. And now I'm going to hit refresh. And there he is. So there's my website.